Okay, I'm gonna have to break this homework into multiple segments because I've tried it 3 times and every time it's glitched on me when I'm done. So we're gonna do these 5 questions in separate videos. I told you just a few minutes ago when I was doing the midpoint stuff, I like to do it a little different than the midpoint formula because of things that were coming. Well, they're coming right now. And this is the reason I like to do it this way or the way I did midpoint, because it's effective in doing it this way. Again, I have no idea how Khan is explaining this, but I'm going to explain it the way that I think is the most useful and the easiest to understand. Now, I will warn you, this can get a little hairy if we end up dealing with fractions. And that's not because the concept is hard, it's just I know you guys don't love fractions. So don't be afraid to use a calculator if you need it. But it might get a little confusing if we get one with fractions, and we're about to find out if this one does or not. Okay, so we got the 2 points. A is 6, -6. C is -6, -2. Find the coordinates of point B on AC such that AB to AC. So what this is telling me is that AB is 3 parts and AC is 4 parts. So if we look at our picture, here's AC. So AB is going to be on here somewhere so that it represents 3 parts. And AC is going to represent 4 parts. I think this one's going to come out nice just visually from the picture, because I think I can cut this into 4 parts at those points right there. So that cuts in AC into 4 parts. AB needs to be 3 of those parts. Now, I'm actually not going to try to, I mean, you can see where the answer is here, but I'm actually going to show you how to do this if you don't have graph paper, or if, it's not coming out, because we're going to deal with fractions probably at some point. Because what we're looking at is really change. So from here to here, the x value changes from -6 to 6. That's a change of 12. Now, that's a really nice number because it is divisible by 4. Here from here is -2 to -6. That's a change of 4, also divisible by 4. So it's cutting this thing. I'm going to cut this into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing here. I'm going to cut it into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, each one of these is 3 because you cut 12 into 4 parts. And each one of these is 1 because you cut 4 into 4 parts. So what we want, and you can kind of go whichever way you want. I tend to go the shortest way I can. B is just 1 step away here. So this is like going down 1 and then over 3. So if we're at the point -6, 2, we want to go down 1. Now we were at -2. We go down 1. That's -3. And if we want to go right 3, we're at -6. To the right 3 would also be -3. So we found the point. So this is 3 parts to 4, 3 to 4. That gives me the point -3, -3. Okay, I'll make another video for the next question.